Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in today's video I want to talk about how to use niacinamide the right way. Now, niacinamide does not work like benzoyl peroxide or like exfoliating acids, where you usually see faster visible changes on the skin. And that matters because it changes how you use it. Niacinamide helps support how your skin works, and while you use it, it helps the skin function more normally over time. It can help your skin hold on to moisture better. It can help keep oil production more balanced, help calm inflammation in the skin, and help with pigmentation over time. And you don't need to do anything special when you apply it. So you don't need extra water on your skin, you don't need very high percentages for it to work well, and you don't need a lot of extra steps around it. Using niacinamide is actually pretty simple. After cleansing, you just apply a niacinamide product to clean skin. Your skin can be dry or slightly damp after washing. Just remember, there shouldn't be visible water drops sitting on your skin. And you don't need a lot, usually just a few drops is enough for your whole face. And using more doesn't make it work faster. It can just increase the chance of irritation or sensitivity. You can stop right there or continue with the rest of your normal routine. Now, what really matters is that your skin keeps getting exposure to it, because niacinamide works more through signaling and regulation in the skin, and that works best when your skin sees it regularly. You can use it once per day, that's usually enough, and if your skin tolerates it well, so no irritation, no redness or stinging, you can also use it morning and night. Now, keep in mind that you usually don't see changes overnight. It can take a few weeks before you notice your skin holding onto moisture better or oil production becoming more balanced. And pigmentation usually takes even longer, and that's normal. It just needs time and consistent use. Now, I hope that this helped you understand how to use your niacinamide product properly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!